Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. We're thrilled to have you with us today as we dive deep into the intriguing world of INFiNix, a brand that continues to make a formidable impact in the consumer electronics market. If you're a proud owner of the INFiNix Hot 11s, today we've got something incredibly useful and important for you. We're talking about the INFiNix Hot 11's LCD replacement. Now, we know that accidents happen. Whether it's a minor mishap when you're out and about or a major fall that leaves your screen cracked, having a reliable LCD replacement is essential. The INFiNix Hot 11s is not only known for its sleek design and impressive performance, but also for its vibrant display. So, why is an LCD replacement so important? First and foremost, the display is the very interface between you and your device. It's where you interact with your apps, enjoy your favorite videos, and scroll through social media. A damaged screen can hinder your experience significantly. Cracks, blank spots, or unresponsive areas can make it nearly impossible to use your device effectively. For those of you who love gaming, a compromised screen can be a total deal-breaker. Imagine playing an intense match of PUBG or Call of Duty Mobile with a glitchy display. Not ideal, right? You can either take your device to an authorized service center or consider doing a DIY replacement if you feel confident in your technical skills. Working with electronics can be daunting, but there are many resources and guides available online that can provide step-by-step instructions. Just make sure to have the right tools, which may include a suction cup, a heat gun, and a small screwdriver set. Remember to manage your expectations. While DIY can save you money, it may come with its own risks. Now, let's talk about what to look for when you're sourcing a replacement LCD. Authenticity and quality are key. Opt for certified or original parts that provide the best compatibility and performance. Generic or low-quality screens may be tempting due to lower prices, but they can lead to issues like poor touch sensitivity, color inconsistency, or even fit problems. In conclusion, whether you're facing a screen disaster or simply prepping for the unexpected, having an INFiNix Hot 11's LCD replacement on hand is a smart choice. Not only does it clean up the aesthetics of your device, but it also reestablishes functionality and enhances your user experience. Don't let a little damage keep you from the features you love. And that wraps up today's discussion. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tech insights, tips, and reviews. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and drop your comments below regarding your experience with the INFiNix Hot 11s or any other inquiries you might have. Until next time, keep exploring the tech world and stay tuned for more exciting content.